So new setup, right? I'm going to make a teardown of this retro FC. So it's working. So very flat. Gosh, wearing a glove. That's a trouble. Need a pry tool. Oh, the battery won't die, which you guys can see. There's a trace of plastics. Take out right now. And you're done. So realize just bend down a little bit. So show you it's working. You guys can see. Next, just realize this thing got bend the pin. So there's one screw. It's just the same. Take this one out. And we're done. I'm wearing gloves just because I don't want fingerprints. It's just a simple board. So might be cleaning this as well. So let's see the board. Interesting is they're using this button. Okay, what we got here? Got this board. You guys see the ribbon cable and
Have you ever had the feeling that like there's no hope anymore, and then someone walks in your life and just light it up, or more like screw it up again? Well, I guess this is the main reason why I'm writing this song.
the battery. Can it still play Mario? So it's okay. And if you guys are building this thing, like you guys found like few parts, don't forget to buy this, to put this one or buy this one. So if you guys see there's a curve edge, just put like this. There's that thing so that can control switch. And our final stuff, the shell. Not bad, like everything goes well. I thought like it might gone wrong. My 4S video gone wrong, like a lot of stuff.
In a cold night, emptiness haunted me. I saw a light, but it was too dark for me. I heard you calling, I saw your sleepless face and I felt hard. I guess I'm falling for you, girl, I can reach the stars. Oh, the nights when you couldn't sleep, I was there carrying my gun, shooting at the demons, see your dreams, making them.
Okay, I'm done. So this is a screen protector, which you guys can see. Everything looks well. Can I put the battery again? Please don't die, please. Oh, it's still fine. So this time is great. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for other videos and peace.